Alright. What's up, guys? At this very moment in time, I have no idea where I'm going or what I'm doing. Actually, I don't. I'm going to fly right now. I don't know where, though. I'm biking around until I see something. So, update. I found a spot, and it actually looks pretty good. There's some good lines around here, and it's a Sunday evening. There's no one out, so it should be good. It should be, what is it? Soft targets should not be applicable. And there's a Chase Bank over here. We can go check out something at the ATM.
Real quick, IGTV, it's a new thing. I don't know if you guys heard of it. If you follow me on Instagram, you can. But that's got a lot more recent stuff and kind of up to date. But if you want, I'm going to try doing like the 9:16 thing, like aspect ratio on the GoPro. It actually rotates at 90 degrees. And try that on the whole phone thing and see how that looks. I don't know if it's going to turn out. If it does, check it out. It'll be on the Instagram.
Oh, I hate that when that happens. These things come off. Oh, also, I don't know if I will have a video out, but my friend Alex Van Over sent me this, or gave this to me, this Johnny build. This is like a complete Johnny quad with the Johnny Lumineer motors, the Astro X, the Race Flight, TBS Season 5 Pro, Triumph, Hobby Wing. Great quad. I haven't done a lot of flying with it, but it's set up. We'll see how it goes. I made the mistake last time. Just covered like everything in grass. Dang, that sucks. Alright, that's it for today, guys. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments about the gear or anything that I'm using, leave a there is a little description. You can check it out there. If it's not there, I'll leave a comment below. I'm not super up to date on that, but I will get to it. And if you haven't yet subscribed, that would be great. I do this weekly. Also, I'm going to be out of town. I don't know if this will be the video that the last video for a while. I'm going to be traveling, going to be in Oshkosh, going to be doing some flying with some people. I'm going to be at a Boy Scout summer camp. Maybe some footage from there, we'll see, but alright, peace. See ya. I don't know what I'm going to do, I'm just going to...